In this new video of app tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process on how to share Instagram story to my story. Now there are two things to this. If you are tagged in any story on Instagram, you can just open up the story and you would have an option of add to your story as well on the bottom. But if you are not tagged on a particular story and you still want to add it to your own story, if it is a picture, you can take a screenshot. But however, if it is a video, you can either record your screens and then post it from there, or you can also use a third-party website to download those videos. Search for storysaver.net on your web browser and it's going to take you to this website, from where you just need to type in Instagram username of the person that you're trying to download the story of. Just type in the username and you can download the videos or photos from this website. But this method would not work if the person's Instagram account is private. If the person's Instagram account is private and you're trying to download a Instagram story video, then the only option that is left is to record your screens. Only that way you'd be able to add the stories to your own story on Instagram. So that was a quick and easy video on how to share Instagram story to your story. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.